So we're gonna be making earrings right now out of the remote that we have taken apart. Well, let's just say Rania took apart and I filmed. So what are you doing? You're shoving wire
into the remote and you can stick it through.
Okay.
Then we
make
a little loop so it won't come out.
Okay. Move it.
Or should we add a little, like, yes.
Oh, the LED.
This one.
Ladies, look out, the new jewelry of the future that your men can make for you.
This will rotate.
Okay, so it'll be loose. And there we go, we have an earring made out of remote control and some wire. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Hang on one second. No, you don't have to go so close. If only we can get the LEDs to light up. Love me!